Good evening, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. We have a box today. We have a unboxing video today. Just a small one, just samples, what have you, and one other little goodie I've ordered. Now, you've seen me do a bunch of samples, and I've got a few more samples to show you as well. Good to see samples, try a little taste of some kind of soap and see if it's something that I enjoy or not, and maybe see pass it along to see if it's something you might enjoy. So, we'll put it this way. In this box, there's more samples, yes, but it's also a purchase. From the last couple of batches of samples, I did make a purchase from Maggard's. This box is from Maggard's. It was inside an envelope, so it's no address stuff on there, but it is all from Maggard's. Give them a shout out because, yes, they're awesome with their samples. Personally, they've got the best variety of samples of any of the big soap companies that I've looked at so far. Others might need to step up their game because Maggard's is awesome. So in here, I'll show you the one purchase first. The one purchase, so I'll show you what I purchased after trying the mini samples. Taub's Grapefruit. This stuff was awesome. Oh, that scent. Oh, that scent is so fresh grapefruit. It smells so wonderful. That just, oh yes, I'm looking forward to using that this spring, summer. And I got one, I only have one, except I guess it's an aftershave. They call it a balm and it looks milky. Make glasses. Try to remember what I ordered. Let's see, what is it? Castle Forbes aftershave balm, lime essential oils aftershave. I used a little of the Razor Rock lime yesterday and really enjoyed that. And I wanted to try some of the lime thing just to try because yeah, that lime is about a quarter left, and my wife uses that one. That's like her favorite. So I wanted to get a little. Try something else for lime too, but I do like that basic, just basic little lime essential oil. It just, oh, it's nice. Now for soaps, with the lime vein, I got that lime aftershave because I got a lime soap. Taconic, I never heard of them before. Taconic Shave. Maybe I've heard of them before. I can't remember if like Chris Baker, IMCDB did one of these or not. I don't remember Taconic. I don't. Do you remember it? Have you tried it? I'm just curious. But it was something I had not tried, so we're trying it. What else I got here? I got Declaration Grooming, After the Rain. Fresh, nice. I might even smell a little mint in that. Oh, and there's not a seal on it, but okay. It's just funny, the last batches I got of samples from Maggard's had seals on them, so of course now I got to check them all. This one is, oh, here we go, another lime one. Castle Forbes. I got two Castle Forbes? Oh, no, I'm sorry, that was the F, sorry. This is the matching lime soap to the lime aftershave balm, that's what it is. And I got another lime one too, I'm kind of the lime mood. And yes, the samples, I'm only going to use it once or twice and give it away. So, yeah, so yeah, I want to try a couple. And what's this one? This one is... a picture of an elephant. I can't remember what this is. All right, let me see. I got to cheat. I got to look at the packing slip. Let's see. What is this? This is House of Mammoth Artisan Shave Soap sample. It's called Alive. House of Mammoth. It's got a picture, of course, big old woolly mammoth, I guess. Big old elephant, anyway. House of Mammoth. Interesting. Okay, now I got to smell it. Okay. Oh, something's tickling my nose. Something's tickling my nose in that. In a good way. Oh, I like that. I want to smell some woodsiness in there and some sweetness and some... What else? What's tickling my nose? Something's tickling my nose in that. I don't know what it is. Okay, I'm interested. I'm intrigued. But that's all the samples I had. And of course, in that Taub's Grapefruit, I'm really looking forward to enjoying too. So I just wanted to let you guys see those, see what's coming up in future shaves. You'll see me do that. And if there's one in particular of those samples that you want me to try maybe this Saturday, hey, put a note in, let me know. And maybe we'll get to it. So, and of course I do still have one or two left in my cabinet down below. So that's why I figured I better order some more because I only had like a couple left. So yeah, I'm stocked up now for the next month anyway for samples to show you guys. Hope you enjoyed that little unboxing and go with God.